WAYKS backpacks have the same easy access bottle pockets like many backpacks do, and it's possible to carry your water bottles with the flaps open like this. Even large bottles, like this 40-ounce water bottle, fit comfortably in both the compact and original sizes. But we've added a zippered cover for a couple of reasons. They can hold more than just water bottles, like snacks or umbrellas or other accessories. It helps the backpack have a more clean aesthetic. And finally, bottles, umbrellas, or other items won't fall out when you run to catch a bus or bend over to tie your shoelaces. It's unavoidable that the bottle pocket shares some capacity with the main compartment. Therefore, it can sometimes be difficult to close the zipper when the backpack is very full. We suggest zipping the bottle compartment partway up before inserting the bottle. This makes it easier to close the flap. Stay hydrated!